Hello students, welcome back to the online class of AIS. I am Shormishta Das, your computer teacher. So today I am going to teach you regarding GIMP, that is GIMP, that is all about image manipulation. Okay, so this is my computer screen. I have already downloaded GIMP 2.8. So this is the icon of GIMP 2. So I'll be opening it. So here is the main window, that is GNU image manipulation program. In the left hand side you will be able to see the toolbox. Then you need to go to Windows, then recently closed docs, and then this layers and brushes will appear in the left hand side, and right hand side you will be able to see the layers and brushes, and left hand side you will be able to see the toolbox. Over here different types of options are there, like this is the scissor select tools, then paths tools, foreground select tool, color picker tool, zoom tool, many are there. So as you all know that over here also you will be able to see the file, edit, select, view, image, like any other softwares. So over here first you need to click on file. You will be able to see this new, then create, open. Open is used to open up the pre-saved projects, then open as layers, open location, many are there. So first you will be clicking on new, then you will be getting the image size width as 640. Let me increase it to 1600, and the height let me make it 900. Then I need to click on advanced option. As you have read in theory classes as well, that there are color spaces, like I have discussed, like RGB color, grayscale. As I told you that grayscale is all about black and white, RGB is all about red, green and blue. These are the primary colors. So let me select it as RGB. Then I have fill with background color. So as I have told you that there are background color, foreground color, white and transparency. So I will be working with background color now, so I have kept it as background color. Then I will be clicking on OK. So it has been opened. A new window is opened with background and the foreground background color I will be selecting now, and with the height and width as 1600 and 900. So first let me change the background color. This is my first tutorial video, so I am going to teach you the very basic concepts. So first I am going to teach you how to change the background color. So for that reason you need to click on this one, that is change background color. Let me select this. Okay, then click on OK. Now I need to click on this bucket fill tool. Then on this working area I need to click on it, and then it will appear. So this is my background color. By this way I can change the background color. Many colors are there. I can select this one as well, and I can click on OK. Then again bucket fill, click here. This has changed. Okay, so this is one such option. We can also add any text here. See, text tool is there. So if I will click on text tool, then one text box will appear. I need to select this in order to change the color. I can click on it and then click on OK. Then I need to increase the font size. Then whatever I will write, see, hello, how are you? So by this way we can write something, whatever we feel like. We can also increase the font size by clicking here. We can increase the size, or if we want we can decrease the size as well. And this way we can adjust. We can we can insert more toolboxes as well. So in this video I have taught you how to change the background color and how to add text in your new project. One more thing is also there, that is layer. So layer, if you want to add some layers, then over here you need to click, that is create a new layer, and whenever you will click it, and you need to keep the option unchanged and click on OK, then a new layer will appear. See, you can create a multiple layer. As many layers you will create, it will be added up over here. So here we come to the end of my first tutorial basic video on GIMP. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.